Volcanic eruptions have troubled human civilization for thousands of years, such as the famous eruption of Mount Vesuvius in AD 79, which buried the ancient city of Pompeii in meters of volcanic ash and pumice. Most recently, an eruption in Tonga in January shot 60,000 feet, 18,000 meters, of ash into the sky and obliterated a volcanic island. The eruption, which killed at least 5 people, is described as a once-in-a-thousand-year event and is expected to rank 5th on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, VEI. Supervolcanic eruptions, meanwhile, measure 8 on the VEI, the highest possible value. They erupt about every 17,000 years, and are roughly 1,000 times more powerful than the 1980 eruption of Mount St Helens, the deadliest in recorded U.S. history. Known superfires on Earth include Yellowstone in the U.S., Lake Toba in Indonesia, and Lake Taupo in New Zealand. A breakthrough 2018 study reveals new supervolcanoes may be emerging beneath the U.S. states of Massachusetts, Vermont, and New Hampshire. A 2016 paper originally concluded that there is active independent upwelling of molten rock beneath the surface known as the Northern Appalachian Anomaly. Scientists at Rutgers University used data 2 years from the back of the 2016 study to build a better idea of what was going on underneath. Professor Vadim Levin, a geophysicist, said the upwelling we detected was like a hot air balloon, and we concluded that something rises through the deeper parts of our planet under New England. The area where they made their discovery is geologically stable, and has no active volcanoes, therefore, magma formation is relatively new in terms of Earth's geological processes. Professor Levin continued, "It will most likely take millions of years for upwelling to reach its goal. The next step is to try to understand exactly how it happened," he added. "It's not like Yellowstone, but it's a distant relative in the sense that something relatively small, no more than a few hundred miles, is going on." Bubbles of magma may never come to the surface. If so, it will likely take a very, very long time. Professor Levin says maybe there isn't time yet, or maybe it's too small, and it's never going to work. Come back in 50 million years, and we'll see what happens. Supervolcanoes occur when magma in the mantle rises into the crust, but is unable to break through. Pressure builds up in large magma pools and grows until the crust can no longer withstand the pressure. They can occur in hotspots, where the Yellowstone caldera is located, or in subduction zones, where the Tobas are. When they erupt, they can cause long-term climate change and threaten species with extinction.